Double dig.
Yep. There's something right there, man. Ben has hooked me up with this old looking house out in the middle of Calf Lane. Now, he said he's ran a couple of guys that were metal detecting, didn't have permission, but you never know what they miss. So I'm going to give it a try. He's going to walk me around the property. Where else? Where's that one? That's right. Left my gloves too. See what happens when you get in a hurry? And it's a coin right there. It's a Lincoln. So that's a nice one. I mean, I'll take it. So folks, Ben was just telling me, you know, we went to school together. He said around 76, 77. Could have been earlier. You did what?
Yeah, I used to walk up Ross Creek Road and then come across to Mrs. Jackson's house. And a lot of times she'd be sitting on the porch.
This house here?
Yeah, this house right here.
Yeah.
And then I'd go down just a little further and then I'd cross through her fence, and then that was a short place into the swamp, and I'd go cross through the swamp and go into Galloway Road, where I lived, and it saved me about 2 miles.
So you walk by this house all the time?
Right.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
What is it? Oh, that is a coin. It's just old and corroded. Yeah.
Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and that little bell, ring it, because you'll be notified the next time I upload a video.
So you know it's in my hand. Feel it? What is that? Yep. No, it's a
some kind of bullet.
Yeah, like a 9 maybe, or 40. What is it? I can see 45.
Yep.
Goodness. I think it's there. Yeah. Right in there. Want to see if you can feel it?
Oh, another shell.
Is it? There you go. Man. Some shooting individuals off this porch. Okay. I'll take it. 45. So guys, Ben is still hanging with me. He went and got his shovel. Now we got 2 targets here. One right here in the corner, and then one right here, somewhere right in here, right there. You know, let's go down with the pin board, because sometimes they're very difficult to find. I mean, they're just, I think, camouflage in that sand there. See how it's right there. See if you feel it. Is it a nail?
Oh, it's a nail. Oh, that stinks.
That's right. That's right. But you got to get the garbage out.
Yeah.
To get to the good stuff. Look at that. That's what it's hitting on, folks. Little knife. Who knows?
Double dig.
Yep. There's something right there, man. I think it'd be in your pile, because it wasn't real deep. There it is. Ooh, what is that? Something off a toy or something, or a watch cover.
Yeah.
Oh. Kind of cool. There. Let's dig it, baby. Dig it. We got 2 shovels. How many times you get 2 shovels? Look at that. Double dig, baby. Feel it? Yeah. The zinc penny, because it's eating away. See here? They just deteriorate so quick. Maybe it was in, it's right here.
Yeah.
It is right here. I could feel it. Where's it at? Right here. Finally. Goodness.
What was it?
There you go. Be right in here. There's quite a few little pennies right in here. There you go, another one. Whatever it is in my hand. Oh, I just knocked it out. I felt it. There it is. Felt the weight of it. Penny. It's like 6 pennies. It's in the hand. In the hand. And it's a penny. Look at that. Look how many pennies are right here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait. Look at that old door.
You want me to open it?
Will it open? Oh my goodness. Probably hit a hornet's nest any second now and get it. Well, let's work through here. There's a lot of metal though. I mean, that's right there. Oh no, it's a coin. Ooh, that could be old now. I think it is. Dude, I think that's a wheat penny. No, I can see the memorial. No, it's a memorial. It's just an old penny. Yeah. All right, guys, so we were only here like 10 minutes. The point is, Ben wanted to show me a few places out in Kathleen that I could metal detect with permission. So I'm gonna come back to this and we're off to another location. Oh my goodness, guys, I wish I had more time for this. Just got permission. This guy said people have been banging on his door forever trying to detect here. And he tells them no, but today my buddy Ben hooked me up. Just a chunk of metal. Unknown hunk of junk.
Like a groove disc.
Man, what a chunk of metal.
Plowing.
Crap that is.
Yeah, that's
What is that?
It's a disc. Or,
For plowing?
yeah.
Hunk of junk. It's right there. It's a coin.
Oh my God.
Out in the middle of nowhere. Just a Lincoln. Stinking Lincoln. That was a great day to be out. Again, thanks for following me. And as always, please be sure to subscribe. Share the video. This channel is growing so much, and it's all because of you guys, your comments, your suggestions, and you continue to like and share this video, and I really appreciate it. I'm telling you, it's just awesome. Remember, at the end of each video also is a very special COPTECH, real short, police stories from the COPTECH Vault. You won't want to miss that. Thanks for following Double G, and I'll see you on the next dig. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. The year was 1998 and auto theft was at an all-time high. So our agency decided to pull over the top 10 stolen vehicles and give them a free anti-theft device called the Club. You see that steering column? That's how they would start it. And we drove around the city doing this, and the media loved it. They picked up on it and they ran a story. Here it is.
The top 10 most stolen cars to give the drivers the Club. In all, they expect to give away 100 clubs as part of their new zero-tolerance auto theft prevention program.
And last year we had 1,400 vehicles stolen. This year our stats are way down, and it's because some of these proactive things that we're doing, making the community more aware, and some different approaches we've taken to combating the auto theft.
The Club, of course, is an anti-theft protection device. Here's a list now of the most frequently stolen automobiles in Polk.
Dumbest criminal award. These grand theft auto suspects stole the van, used the lady's Kodak camera back when they had film, and then they forgot and left the camera in the van. Well, she got that film developed, and there you have it. They were identified, and off to jail they went. Believe it or not.